Alright guys, it is that time again. It's been like 2 weeks since I've cleaned my craft room and pretty messy again. So just a quick little cleanup. It'll probably take me, I don't know, like an hour tops to clean everything. I literally have like messes just scattered everywhere. But I wanted to show you guys this. So my mom gave this to me a few days ago and I think I've decided I'm going to repaint it, but she just didn't have a need for it anymore. So she asked if I wanted it, which of course, y'all know I love my pegboards, so I'm going to paint this. I have no idea where I'm gonna put this in here because my craft room is kind of like cluster central over here with all the furniture and tables and cabinets. So I don't know, we may end up like rearranging my room. You guys are gonna think I'm crazy because I literally just rearranged my room like what, not even a month ago. I can't help it, you guys. It's what I do. Like, I'm always rearranging my furniture. So my thoughts are I'm going to clean up the craft room, and then I think I'm going to move this cube shelf that I have over here that my Cricut is on. I think I'm going to move it over here where my shipping station is, just because whenever I am sitting behind my desk in my chair, I don't always like roll over here because it's so much shorter, and I always end up like setting stuff on it, so I can never actually package my orders there, and I end up just packaging my orders over here on my desk or over here. So just because I don't like having to walk around this cabinet, I just feel like I have like walkway. It's just not open anymore, and this room is like just too small for the amount of furniture that I need in here. So like I said, I think I'm going to move this over here, and then I think I'm gonna move this cabinet over here and just have it in between this desk and the heat press table. I don't know, I measured both of them. I know they're both gonna fit in those new places. I just don't really know how it's going to look. I don't know if I think it looks weird because it's so much shorter than my desk. I have these little roller feet on them. You guys probably can't even see those. But I could just put some like legs on it, or just some like taller feet. Like I'm talking like 3-4 inches, just to make it around the same height of the desk. I don't know. We'll see how it looks. It may not even look bad. So yeah, that's just my plan for today. I'm going to clean up this craft room, rearrange a couple pieces in here, and then probably start painting that and figure out where that's going to go and what I'm going to use that for. All right, so I'm going to set you guys up so I can get started. Alright guys, I just finished cleaning the craft room. It is all picked up. The craft room is clean. So now I'm going to set you guys up so I can switch the furniture around, and we'll see how that looks. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So I just need to flip these drawers around and then it'll be good. All right, and this is what this cabinet looks like over here. Not too bad. It is a little short compared to the desk, like I said. So I think I might put some other feet on that to make it just a little bit taller. Maybe not right now, but eventually. And I think I decided I'm going to put this little pegboard thing over on this, like right in this area. And then I think I'm just going to put my printer over here. I don't know, I'll figure that out in a little bit. Maybe like have all my devices on that. And then this will just be like an extra work area. I don't know, I definitely like having my floor space back. That is so nice. So of course, I gotta put my rug back down. So I moved the little turning pegboard here. I didn't even show you guys, it does turn like all the way around. It's kind of loud. But it's obviously not gonna fit right there. Like, it doesn't even have enough room to completely turn around without like hitting the window trim. I would have to scoot it up even more. And as you guys see, it's already hanging off quite a bit. So that ain't gonna work there, and that looks terrible anyway. So I think I am going to put it on this end of the table over here, like where my little crafting cart is. But I'm gonna have to like build some type of base because I don't want it just like sitting on the ground, because then it's like the same height as the table. And I don't know, I don't want to like have to sit on the floor to go through this. So I'm probably not gonna end up finishing this in this vlog, but that's okay. At least I have a plan for now. But I mean, other than that, I do like the way the furniture is set up now. And I like that I have a lot more space like to walk through. I don't have just a bunch of walkways. It's a lot more open now. So I definitely like that. So let me know what you guys think. All right guys, while I'm working in the craft room, I'm gonna go ahead and put up the rest of these acrylic shelves. I got 3 more to mount above here, and I've already marked the holes, and I taped some paper towels right here to catch all of like the drywall dust, so I don't have to vacuum as much later. So I'm just going to drill these holes into my wall, put the screws in, and then we can mount our acrylic shelves on after we peel the plastic off. Okay, so now we have to peel off the plastic off of these acrylic shelves before we can put them on the wall. And this part is like so satisfying. So there's the outside plastic. Now we have to peel off the inside plastic. Isn't that so satisfying? Look how pretty. 2 more to go. Ta-da! Okay, now we're ready to put these on the wall. Okay, so you just pop them on. Alright, not too shabby. Looks like I definitely need to get some more paint. So maybe in the next vlog we will get some more paint for these shelves and redo this little spinning pegboard.